Hi guys, today the question is check if circular linked list. I'll just read out the question for you. Given a single linked list, find if the linked list is circular or not. A linked list is called circular if it is not null terminated and all nodes are connected in the form of a cycle. An empty linked list is considered as circular. Okay. So if you remember, we have previously done a question in which we are finding out the loop in a linked list. So this question is different from that one in the case that in previous question, suppose we have a total of 10 nodes in our linked list and only say 3 or we can say only 4 are involved in the loop. Then also we can say that there's a cycle in the linked list. Or we can say, to be very precise, there's a loop in the linked list. But here we are saying that the linked list is circular only when all the nodes of the linked list are involved in the cycle. So if we see example, the last node is again pointing to the first node. So in that case, all the nodes of the linked list are involved in our cycle. Okay, so let us write a basic code. It is given that an empty linked list is considered as circular. Okay, if head equals to null, I can straight away return true. Yes, the linked list is circular. Else, I'll declare a temporary pointer which will be initialized with head, and I will be iterating through our linked list through the help of this pointer only. So I have to iterate through the linked list and check when the temp will be again pointing to head. Okay, so initially my temp and head are pointing to 1. So I have to see there will be two conditions. Either the temp will go on and terminate at null. Suppose next of 5 is null. So the temp will be going on and temp will terminate if it becomes null, or temp will be again equal to head. So here I am writing while temp dot next is not equal to null, because I have initialized temp as head, so I can't write here as temp while temp is not equal to head. I can't write here like that because I have initially initialized it at head only. So I'm writing the condition like while temp dot next is not equal to head. Once this is done, we will be incrementing the pointer temp one by one. Temp equal to temp dot next. There might be a case that temp will terminate at null position if the linked list is not circular. So if temp is equal to null, we can say that the linked list is not circular. We will break out of this loop. Okay, so here we'll be coming out of the loop in any one of the two conditions. Either temp will be pointing to null. In that case, the linked list is not circular. I'll return false. Or this loop will break out when temp will become or temp dot next become head. So that means that there was a loop. So else I can return else return true. Okay, so I'll be attaching in the description I'll be linking the question which we have done, in which we are finding out the loop in the linked list. So these questions are very closely related. So just go through that video also once. Okay, so we can try running this one. Okay, cool. So let me just mark it as completed. Okay, thanks guys.